For today's video, we are comparing two powerful video platforms, which is Invideo and Lumen5. If you're looking for a tool that gives you quality and customization, Invideo is a fantastic option. But let's get over first the features of each of the tool to help you decide which one suits your needs. So starting with Invideo, this platform is built for anyone who wants polished professional videos without needing a lot of time or editing expertise. So let's first discuss this feature right here, which allows you to convert your text or scripts into a video. So right here, this is the text to video creation feature here in InVideo. So with this one or with this feature, you can turn your blog posts, articles, or social media scripts into videos in minutes. You can also tweak any settings for you or to customize for your needs on the bottom part of this page. So this is a huge time saver for content creators looking to repurpose written material. And also InVideo offers a massive stock media library. So it provides access to over 1 million high quality stock assets, including videos right here as for example, images, and also music tracks. So you can produce professional looking content without needing external resources. It also offers you in-depth customization. So you have options for fonts, colors, animations, and overlays, letting you style your video to fit your brand. So you can also export here in InVideo. So for example, right here, I'm just going to exit out of here, hit download. So as you can see, you'll be able to export your video in a 4K or HD format and adjust even the aspects ratio to optimize your content for any platform like Instagram, YouTube, you name it. So it also allows you to collaborate with other members. So it supports team collaboration with real-time editing, making it ideal tool for distributed teams or agencies working on video projects together. Now to summarize the pros of InVideo, so first, it has fast content creation with text to video capabilities. Again, it has large stock library for professional quality assets, and it has extensive customization options for brand consistency. And also for the exportation, you can export your videos in HD with adjustable aspect ratios for different platforms, and it has real-time collaboration for team-based projects. Now for the cons of this tool, it has limited options for advanced animations, and some features are available only in premium plans. So these are the plans that you can get here in InVideo. And now let's take a look at Lumen5, a platform that's popular for its AI platform or AI-assisted video creation, particularly for transforming blog posts, articles into videos. So for the first feature here in Lumen5, it has AI-driven storyboarding. So Lumen's standout feature again is its AI that automatically selects key points from your text, providing a storyboard and suggestions for visual to match the contents. For example, I have here a sample project that I have created. So on the left side, then you'll be able to see its basic stock media library. So this tool includes a stock library, but it is smaller compared to InVideo's. It has enough sources for simple videos, but might feel limited for larger projects. So it also has text-to-video focus on storytelling. Lumen5 is specifically geared toward the text-to-video transformations, making it popular for creating informal videos from articles or reports. So it has limited customization. While Lumen5 does offer some customization, it is not as flexible as InVideo. So you have control over text and colors, but less control over animations and visual elements. So Lumen5 also provides HD exports. Though it lacks the wide array of aspect ratios InVideo offers for optimized social media posting. Now for the summarization of its pros, so AI Lumen5 or Lumen5 has AI-assisted storyboarding, simplifies content creation, and it is useful for transforming text-heavy content into your videos. And you can also use these templates right here. So it has easy-to-use interface designed for beginners. And for the cons of this tool, It has smaller stock library compared to Invideo and the limited customization for branding. It also has fewer export options for different aspect ratio. So, which platform is best for your video needs? Invideo is the stronger option if you need high quality videos with in-depth customization and access to robust stock library. Its flexibility and professional output make it ideal for brands and content creators looking for a versatile tool. While Lumen 5 is useful if you are focused solely on transforming articles or blogs into videos with minimal effort, but it lacks some of the creative control and options that video offers. Both tools are great, but if you want more flexibility and customization, Invideo is the way to go. And you can sign up for a free Invideo account with the link below and see what it can do for your videos. And that's it for this video. I hope that this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.